Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia, so it is time for us to do our Free It Friday. It is also the Friday after Christmas, so I hope that you guys did well this past Wednesday for Christmas. I hope you got a lot of die cast cars you've been wanting for a while and stuff. I got a couple of things, nothing spectacular, but they were things that I wanted. And one of them we're unboxing today for Free It Friday. One is a repeat. It was the Dodge Power Wagon Ornament set from Walmart. And Macho Power Wagons to be exact. And the reason I picked it up, and I'll show you here, is because I did a wheel swap on my orange Macho Power Wagon. These wheels were on the orange Macho, and I just couldn't stand it because they were not detailed. And I put these on it. Now it looks so much better. I know these are not the factory rims because they do have the bead locks where you put the rim screws in it. But they're close, and their color, the color is the same color as what the factory wheels would have been. And anyways, most people with trucks especially don't leave factory wheels on it most of the time. Some do, some don't. But these wheels here were on it. And they just don't do the truck any justice. They're the right wheels. They have the triangular cutouts in them. There is, I don't know, like 7 spokes, 8 spokes, something like that. And they do look just like the original ones. Kind of like wagon wheels is what I refer to them as. Wagon wheels, trailer wheels. Call them whatever you'd like. But anyways, I just wanted some wheels that were around the correct color that would match my orange Power Wagon really well. So when I seen this set come out, I was like, wow, those wheels would be great on the orange one, but the red one also looks fantastic. So I had to get an extra set so I could swap it around. So now all of my Power Wagons, Macho Power Wagons I should say, except for the lettered up ones, meaning the one from the O'Reilly's Christmas ornament, and that one does not have the detailed wheels. It still has these. I'm not going to really push to get detailed wheels for it because it has the lettering on it and stuff, so I'm not too like fond of it. But anyways, the mellow yellow one does have detailed wheels on it. I've been working on swapping out all of my stuff that had undetailed wheels. 2 of the other ones were last year's Christmas ornament set. The Macho, not the Machos, but the Snow Fighter Power Wagons. They had the white wagon wheels that were undetailed with no hole cutouts, no details for the holes. So I put some white wheels from the latest green Power Wagon. I think it was, no, I don't know if it was a Walmart exclusive or not, but it was like a, I don't know, like a pea green. Not very nice color, but it did have metal flake in it, which kind of helped it a little. But I ended up swapping those around to my Macho, not the Machos, I don't know why I keep wanting to say that, to my Snow Fighters, and I'll show those to you guys while we're on that topic. As you can see, they look much better with these wheels on it. I also did my Christmas Coca-Cola Power Wagon from last year, the Coca-Cola one. That is like a matte red with snowflakes all over it. It had the undetailed white wheels on it. Now it rides on a set of chrome wheels, which looks really good on the truck. And the only thing I have left that I want to do is the Warlock. The Warlock has those undetailed gold wheels. The wheels are correct color, the gold, and they have the cutouts and everything. It looks great, but they need more detail. Those holes need painted or colored in, or they should have just been drilled out or cut out. Well, they're so small, I don't have the steady enough hand to color them, so I'm just going to try to find wheels that are already gold or ones that I can paint gold that have the similar style to the stock ones. We'll see what happens. That's going to be a little bit tougher because that's the first time I've seen it, 2-wheel drive wheel that's not detailed from him too. So we'll see what happens. Now today, back to the ornaments. We are going to unbox the Challenger set. Yes, this is one item that I got for Christmas. It actually didn't come until yesterday, and I got the Power Wagon one on Christmas Eve, and then I got one other car. Well, actually, I'm sorry, three more cars that are two cars coming. One's already here. They're late arrivals for Christmas. We'll be doing unboxing videos on them too. Hopefully, I get the other ones. I don't know, by next week. I probably won't have them by Mopar Monday, but I will do. I should say I already have one for Mopar Monday. That is the Tarmac Viper in green. We'll be cracking him open for Mopar Monday. So let's go ahead and just take a look at this box for this thing. It looks pretty cool. This is like that PVC plastic, like the blister plastic that's on like Hot Wheels. And then it has Dodge written on the bottom, and then you have on top here Challenger RT, and you have your RT badge there, and then on top it has Dodge 1971, but no, it's not. I don't know why M2 did that with a bunch of their Challengers. All the Christmas ones are miswritten. Even the Coca-Cola Santa set from Walmart, that green one with the snowflakes all over it, they labeled as a 71, and it's not. It's a 70. You can tell by the tail lights and also by the grill. I don't know, you could probably see the grill on the pink one there. It's a full open grill. In 71, the grills were split. And anyway, so they're all errors. They are not correct. These are 70 Dodge Challenger RTs. Same thing with the Coca-Cola one. They just mislabeled them. And of course, I don't leave any of my ornaments intact. I open all of my stuff. So this box, we'll go ahead and pop it open. I already took the round sticker off. It comes with round stickers, sealing these in tabs just like the boxes do. So we're going to start with this green one here and see what we can do. Some of these are hard to open, some are easy to open. You just kind of pull this little red thing off here because everything separates down the metal. Sometimes you can just squeeze it and it'll pop, but lately all of them have been pretty hard. I don't know why. So just give me a second. I need to smack this one real quick. He may be a problem here. Dang. This one's pretty hard to open here. So let's go ahead and move to the pink one and see if it is any easier here. Alright, so I got the pink one out, and I'll just show you the up close details. As you can see, these tail lights are for a 70, not a 71, and the grill is also for the 70, not a 71. So I pulled the little red piece off now, and I'm going to see if I can get this thing opened. And yeah, they really sealed these this year. This one got a little bit, but there we go. It's like cracking a peanut or something. Wow, this thing's still pretty tight. I don't know why it's so tight. There we go. And it didn't break either, amazingly enough. A lot of times these nipples on top where your little string piece goes into will crumble, but this one didn't, thankfully. And yeah, these tabs are also really in there this year, like where they slide into the ornament. That's really, really tight. I don't want to break the car. I don't care so much about the ornament, so I'm going to try to angle my screwdriver here and get those screws out. Yeah, I think I can do it. Yeah, I don't know what's with these things this year. They really sealed them up good. I don't know, maybe people are complaining that they were coming open too easy or something last year. Either way, I don't care because I open them all. The ornaments are cool, and I think I have now, after these two and my extra Power Wagon set that came on Christmas Eve, I think I have, I don't know, maybe 12 empty globes here. I may actually try to decorate a tree next year with these things. See what happens. I've also seen people take like their carded Hot Wheels and hang on the tree with like the J hook and such, and it looks really good. So I may try to do something with all die cast on our tree next year. But as you can see, the paint is done in kind of like a matte finish. This looks kind of like Moulin Rouge, Panther Pink. It's a little dark, but it is also in a different like type of paint than you normally would have. As I mentioned, this is kind of like a matte finish, almost like pearl essence. And in the back window, you have the logo Happy Holidays, so they know it's a Christmas card. So they didn't overdo these. That's what I really like about these. You got your Challenger RT badge back there on the deck lid underneath the going, and the detailed tail light panel, the trunk locks there too. Really cool. And your vanity plate 1970. They got the car right. They knew it was a 70, but they mislabeled their boxes. And the wheels represent like Kragers. I would have liked to have seen more of like a Rally 2 style wheel, or a Rally 2, I'm sorry, I'm thinking of Pontiac. Magnum 500 style wheel, or a Mopar Rally. Preferably a Mopar Rally. That's my favorite one on this. Or a steel rim with dog dish cap. Stills painted to match the car. Always look great. The hoods, I'm not sure if the hood opens on these or not. It did on the Christmas one. I mean, the Coca-Cola Christmas one. These ones, I don't know. It doesn't feel like they want to open. I'm not going to force it right now. But this is the pink one, guys. It looks really nice out of the package. As I said, they're not really 100% on the money for like stock paint. With the like, I guess you could say the shininess, the clear coat and stuff. It is just like a matte finished, uncleared base paint of, once again, like a Moulin Rouge or Panther Pink, but as I said, it's kind of a little bit darker than that. And the green one, I guess we'll wrap it up because we're running a little bit longer on this video than I wanted to. The green one looks really good. It has more of a pearlescent look to it, but it still is a matte finish. Black stripes on the side are correct too. And the pink one did not have side stripes. The green one does, and that looks really nice. 426 Hemi on the shaker on that one. Same thing with that one too. Cool. And the Challenger RT on the fender leg on the pink one. And also on this one, I'm trying to see if that is an RT in the stripe or just a flaw. I think it's just a flaw in the stripe. It's not RT. Sometimes the stripes will say RT. I think it's a flaw anyways. No, maybe it is RT. I'm looking like on this side, it looks like there. Challenger is above the stripe, and on this side, yeah, maybe it is RT. Maybe it's just the way the glare is on this globe. Detailed grill, once again, looks really good. Bumperettes on the front bumper. Here, marker lights on the front valence panel. And double headlights on both sides. Detailed tail light panel on the 1970 vanity plate. I like the black going. I have the diorama set with the Challenger in it. And unfortunately, they did everything the color of the car. The shaker scoop is also red, and the going is red. The shaker scoop I could have dealt with because there was an option, I believe, where you could get it color matched to the car. The going, however, I thought they were all black, but I don't know, that could have been an option too, to get a painted going to match your car. The regular spoiler, that is like a, I guess I'll just use the term they use nowadays, the ducktail style spoiler that mounted to the deck lid that was flush with it. Those were usually always the color of the car. But the Go Wings, as far as what I remember, most of them were black, but that could have been an option. Chrysler had all kinds of options to pick from. That was one thing cool about Mopar. So anyways, guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys have a great weekend. We probably will not be back until Monday to do a Mopar Monday video. Just depends what else we can find at Walmart over the weekend, but not sure if there's going to be any luck or not. So anyways, guys, have a great weekend, and we will see you Monday. Thanks for watching.